Guys, I'm just tornado attack this time. The tornado is there, so let's go. By the way, I'm really sick, so I can play little bit. And this is my last video. This is my last video, and I will go over to be good that I get ice castle. Okay, this is tornado. Is it at EF4? I guess someone just just comment and name for it. I don't think that I'm watching this game, but I don't remember EF4 or EF5 or EF3. I guess so. Okay. Oh, isn't it EF4? I guess. Oh no. Nah, bro, I'm cooked. Go. Run. Yeah, it is EF4, bro. Here, I guess. Oh, yeah. No. Fun. Okay, I guess. He is the... Oh, no. Go there. Dude, this is huge. This is EF4. I think EF4. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we are getting now. We are in. Oh no. Dude. Oh yeah, this is EF5. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Yes, we survived the EF. We survived the tornado. The tornado EF5. Oh no. I mean the tornado EF4. Dude, it was so cool, bro. Oh, goodbye, you useless tornado. And thanks for watching for this video. If you want to join me, you can join me. But this game was named Twister X as 1.15. If you want to join me, I will give you my name in Roblox, and you can join me. So can you subscribe, like and subscribe, and I will give you it in comment. Goodbye. See you later.